proud donkey. A statue maker made a beautiful idol of God to be placed in the village temple. It took him many days to make it, and he was very proud of his work. As it was very heavy, the man borrowed a donkey from the friendly washerman and placed the idol on it. All the people who saw the idol bowed before it with folded hands as a mark of respect to God. The donkey thought that all the respect was being shown to him and began feeling very proud. He started braying out loudly as if to acknowledge the respect people on the road were showing to it. The idol maker, who was walking with the donkey, admonished him and said, "Keep quiet. If you lift your head like this to bray, the idol might fall." But the donkey thought that the statue maker was jealous and kept on braying, "I am the best." They reached the temple, and after placing the idol on the pedestal, the idol maker hit the donkey hard with a stick. The donkey felt the pain and saw the people bowing before the idol. He then realized that all along the way the people had been bowing before the god. He hung his head in shame and quietly went back home with the statue maker.